Hello everyone, welcome to Radical Academy, and in this video we are going to solve question 9 from 2017 paper 1 Mathematics GCE. So question 9 reads, given that the universal set has these elements and set A has elements 1, 8 and set B has these elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now list A union B, or rather bracket A union B, close bracket, complement. So the best way to approach this question is to understand that what does the complement mean. So complement, okay, when you are looking at complement, we are just looking at does not belong to, okay, so does not belong to that. Does not belong. So, meaning we are looking for something which does not belong to A union B. Okay. So, from there, after you understand the complement, then what is going to happen is that this A union B, okay, complement is the same as whatever is in the universal minus the A union B, okay? So we understand that the universal set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And then minus A union B is just the combination of whatever is in B and also in A. So we start from the lower number 1, 2, we are just combining, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And 8, okay? So this is what is happening. So therefore, now you can start subtracting. So this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out, this, that, this 4 goes, 5 goes, 6 goes, 7 goes, 8 goes, and that. So you can see clearly that you remain with what is called an empty set. Okay, so this is your answer. A union B complement is just an empty set. Okay, so now let us move on to question B, which is saying solve the equation 25 to the power x equals 5. So what you do is, this is coming from indices, okay, and we have 25 to the power x equals to 5. So the most important thing is you have to look for ways in which we can actually break down 25 in terms of smaller powers, okay? So for instance, if you have 16, it can be broken as 4 to the power 2, okay? If you have, let's say, 9, we can actually simplify this one by saying 3 to the power 2. So same applies on your left side of this equation. Then we are saying that what number can we multiply together to give us 25 is just 5 to the power 2, and then this now in bracket to the power this of x, and then equals 5. So now the idea is to ensure that the bases on both sides are the same. So what you have now is like 5, okay, to the power this, and this equals 5. So the idea is to ensure that both bases on both sides are equal, and this is what we have just done. So from there, we are saying this 2 will multiply with 5x. So 5, 2 times x, just 2x, equals to 5. Okay. Now from there, what you do is what number can give us, because if these bases are the same, then we also assume that the powers are equal. So we know that anything to the power 1 is that thing. So obviously this 5 has a power of 1. So therefore, you're going to cancel this one and just get rid of that. And then we drop the powers as linear equation. So from there, you can now divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2. So that our x now, therefore, x is equal to 1 over 2.